Uh-oh, guess what? That light doesn't mean it's time to stop for a cuppa. You need to check your engine oil. Let's keep your car running super with an engine oil check and top up in 3 simple steps. Here's what you'll need: gloves, a couple of rags, a funnel and some top-up oil for your car. Use your Rego on the Supercheap Auto My Garage feature to choose the right oil. Step 1. Getting ready. Park your car on a level surface, switch off the engine and allow 5 minutes or so for the oil to drain back into the sump. While you wait, pop the bonnet and locate the dipstick. Often it's yellow and it may have a symbol or the word oil written on it. Check your owner's manual if you're not sure. Step 2. Checking the oil. Pull out the dipstick, wipe it clean and poke it all the way back in. This ensures you have an accurate reading. Now pull the dipstick again. If your oil level sits near the high mark, you're super. If it's nearer to the middle or down near the low mark, it's time for a top-up. The colour of your oil says a lot too. In a petrol vehicle, light honey colour says your oil is nice and fresh. As it darkens, start thinking about a service. If it's black and dirty, you're due for an oil and filter change. If it's milky, that's not good. See a mechanic about that one. Alright, time for step 3, topping up your oil. First, locate your oil cap. It's usually on top of the engine. Then grab your funnel and poke it into the oil filler. Then pour some of the engine oil. It may look delicious, but don't be tempted. This is for automotive consumption only. Getting your oil from low to high on your dipstick usually takes just under a litre of oil. This differs between vehicles, of course, so go bit by bit, allowing a couple of minutes between filling and checking the dipstick. You don't want to overfill your oil. That will create a whole new set of problems. Done! If you keep this little routine up every month or so, you may never see that little teapot light on the dash again. Find detailed instructions and more videos to help you make it super at Supercheap Auto's Super DIYs.